Good morning, everybody. Today, we are going to continue the revision of the lesson Orphan Inn. So, we will revise question answers of this lesson. Okay. First question, second question we have done. Appearance of both the girls, Malti and Rima. Okay. Their appearance, their studies, their singing, attitude to others, and their weak points. We have done. Now imagine you are Malti, write about any one event in the story from Malti's point of view. आपको imagine करना है that you are a Malti and write down any one event in the story from Malti's point of view. Malti's point of view. So here, see, write the event from the story from Malti's point of view. See, so I'll tell you. As a Malti, yesterday I was absent from school. I decided to ask Rima and other classmates about the lesson taught by teachers. You are doing, if you are absent in the class, you are asking to your friends, okay, whatever the lessons or written work, whatever done in the class. As soon as I uttered, I wanted to ask you about English assignment. Okay, about English assignment. Rima and her friends burst out laughing. What they were doing? They were laughing. At first, I didn't understand why they were laughing. At first, I didn't understand why they were laughing. I am only asking them whatever the taught portion, okay, about English assignment or whatever, the about the periods, what the teacher taught. But they are laughing. They were laughing. Then Rima started mocking at me, repeating the word "ak," because I asked me. उसने बोला "ak." So here, other girls giggled and looked at me with contempt. Other girls, they are looking at me. I felt very bad. But I requested Rima to teach me English as she was good in English. But what I do? I requested Rima that teach me English as she is very good in English. But she told me rudely that as I belong to the countryside, I am incapable of speaking proper English. But Rima told me as Malti, she is from the countryside and she is incapable of speaking proper English. There was a lump in my throat as I could not bear this humiliation. So I could not bear this humiliation. She is talking like she's talking with me. I wanted to retort, but I couldn't find the right words. I want to give answer, but I couldn't find the words. I burst into tears and I decided to run away from there. I just burst into the tears and I decided to run from there. Okay. So this is the answer. Now, next question is, how do you behave with your classmates? How do you behave with your classmates. Write about your attitude and behavior in the appropriate column. Write about your attitude and behavior in the appropriate column. Some actions are given here. Ask others for help, refuse help, judge others by their appearance, judge others by their accent. And 3 columns are given: always, sometimes, and never. So you have done this question. Okay. So this is a personal response question. Okay. So I told you, and this is very simple. You have to just write down. You are always asking others help, or you're sometimes refusing help, or judge others by their appearance. So you never judge, or sometimes judge, or always judge others by their appearance. So you have to tick it in the proper column. Now, question number 5. Next, talk about. Some points are given. You have to talk about them. Your strength. You have to talk about your strength, your weakness, the changes that you would like to see in yourself. Okay. Yes. What you have to talk about? Your strengths, your weakness, the changes that you would like to see in yourself. Okay. 3 each. 3 points you have to write. Okay. So strength. My biggest strength is my willingness to learn and improve myself. क्या है? मेरी biggest strength? My biggest strength is my willingness to learn and improve myself. I am very polite and humble. I am also a good listener, due to which I make friends very easily. So this is my strength. This is my strength. Now, what is my weakness? So you have to write your weakness. I am lazy. When it comes to doing homework, I have a phobia of speaking in front of a large group. Okay, I have a phobia speaking in front of a large group. This was developed into stage fright. This has developed into stage fright. I also can't stop eating once I start. This is my weakness. I also can't stop eating once I start. This makes me fall sick very often. This makes me fall sick very often. Okay. So this is about my weakness. Now, the changes that you would like to see in yourself. This is the personal response questions. You have to write yourself. Which changes you have to make in yourself? What is your weakness? What is your strength? Okay. So you have to write down. Understood? So the changes that you would like to see in yourself. So which changes? See, I would like to get rid of my laziness. First, very important change that I would make in myself. ऐसे लिख सकते हो. I would like to get rid of my laziness. I want to start cultivating the habits of reading to improve my language. What I have to do? I want to start cultivating the habit of reading to improve my language. I would like to participate confidently in competitions. I would like to participate confidently in competitions. And lastly, I want to control my diet for a healthy living. Because in weakness, what I have told you, I also can't stop eating once I start. एक बार खाना खाना शुरू किया तो I can't stop, रुक नहीं सकता. That's why what change I have told here, I want to control my diet for a healthy living. हेल्दी रहने के लिए मुझे डाइट कंट्रोल करना ही पड़ेगा. So these are the changes. Okay, which I would like to see in myself. Okay, so you have to write down about yourself. Understood? Now, 6 is discuss. Is it necessary to develop a good accent? Why? What efforts can you take to improve your pronunciation? With your teacher's help, find out how to use online dictionaries for the purpose. So it is very good question that to develop a good accent, what you have to do to improve your pronunciation? First of all, you have to do reading practice daily. Okay, sort out the new words, search the pronunciation of the new words, and improve your pronunciation. In this way, you can develop a good accent. Understood? So, internet is there, different dictionaries are there at your place. You can use them and you can improve your pronunciations. Understood? So, for the same, you have to read more and more. Okay, search the pronunciation of the hard word, different words. Okay. Now, list all the adverbs that end with ly from the passage. You have to make a list of the adverbs that ends with ly. Okay. List all the adverbs that ends with ly. Okay. Now, so many adverbs are there. I have given you all the adverbs, list of the adverbs. Quietly, rudely, cattily, uncharitably, sadly, abundantly, readily, cheerfully, mercilessly, particularly, roundly, badly, and stubbornly. All these are the adverbs given in the passage that ends with ly. So we have written this. Understood? Quietly, rudely, cattily, uncharitably, sadly, needly, abundantly, readily, cheerfully, mercilessly, particularly, roundly, badly, and stubbornly. Okay, we have written all this. Understood? So here next question is language study. So types of nouns are given in the language study. You know noun. Noun is a word which is used as the name of the person, place or thing. The names given to a particular person, places, animals are called as proper nouns. And the rest are the common nouns. Okay, because it is the name of a particular person. See, particular and names in the common. So what is the common noun and proper noun here? For example, Ria. Ria is a proper noun because it is the name of a particular person. हर एक person का नाम रिया नहीं होता. So Ria is, she is the Ria. Everyone is not Ria. So this is a name of a particular person. Basically, name of particular thing, name of particular, what we can say, place. We can say it as a proper noun. Understood? And the rest are common nouns. Here, Ria is a proper noun and the girl is a common noun. So girl, it is not the name of a particular person. Girl, particular person ka name. Girls in common, all the girls. Okay, but Ria, she is a particular person. That's why. Here, for example, town. Town is a common noun. Any town. But I say Ahmednagar. Ahmednagar. What we can say? Ahmednagar. So town is here common noun, but Ahmednagar is the name of a particular that place. So Ahmednagar is a proper noun. Okay. So this is the difference between common noun and proper noun. Girl, boy, town, beaver, table, pencil, bag, road, all these are the common nouns. Sangeeta, Rahul, London, Nashik, Sahyadri, all these are the proper nouns. Understood? So this is the language study. You know, in 5th class, 6th class, we have done this common noun, proper noun, types of the noun. Everybody you know that. Okay. So this is the revision of the question answers of the lesson or 1A. So your homework is here. Your homework is revised all question answers. Revised all question answers of the lesson or 1A. Understood? So do it. Okay, bye.